In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate AutoDS with Wix. By the end, you'll have your Wix store connected to AutoDS so you can streamline product importing, price and stock monitoring, and order automation. Before we start, make sure you have access to your Google account and your Wix account, and that you're comfortable completing an online subscription checkout. First, open your browser and go to the official AutoDS website. On the home page, look for the option to sign in and choose to sign in with your Google account. Pick the Google profile you want to associate with AutoDS. If prompted, confirm any standard permissions. This creates or links your AutoDS account using your Google credentials, which keeps the login simple and secure. Right after you sign in, AutoDS will ask you to select your selling channel. Choose Wix. This tells AutoDS which platform you want to connect and prepares the setup flow specifically for your Wix store. Next, AutoDS will require you to subscribe to one of their plans. Review the plan options and select the one that best matches your expected order volume and features. When you click your preferred plan, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your billing details carefully. Double-check your card information, billing address, and any required fields before confirming. If your bank uses verification, complete that step to authorize the payment. When the payment is processed, you'll be guided to continue the connection process. Once your subscription is active, AutoDS will prompt you to log into your Wix account. Make sure you're signing in to the correct Wix profile that owns the store you want to connect. Enter your credentials, and if Wix asks you to approve permissions for AutoDS, allow the requested access so the integration can work properly. After you finish with Wix, you'll be redirected back to your AutoDS dashboard. Here, look for the option to add a store. Click Add Store, and when asked to choose a platform, select Wix. Follow any remaining on-screen confirmations. AutoDS will link to your Wix account and begin establishing the connection. Give it a moment to sync. That's it. You went to AutoDS, signed in with Google, chose Wix as your selling channel, subscribed to a plan, completed payment, logged into Wix, returned to the AutoDS dashboard, and added your Wix store. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh the dashboard and verify you're logged into the correct Wix account. You're now ready to manage your Wix store through AutoDS.